So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Apple Watch battery draining fast, watchOS 26, settings app and battery health. So how to fix Apple Watch battery draining fast. Fix fast battery drain on your Apple Watch running watchOS 26 by adjusting settings like background app refresh, notifications and display brightness. Check battery usage, disable unnecessary app and restart the watch to clear temporary software glitches. If the issue continues, review battery health or unpair and repair the watch to resolve update related problem. So fix one is restart your Apple Watch. Sometime background process cause unusual battery drain after update. So press and hold the side button, drag the power off slider, turn the watch back on after 10 to 20 seconds. Fix 2 is turn off background app refresh. Many apps constantly update in the background and consume power. Open setting on the Apple Watch, then tap journal, then background app refresh. Turn it off or disable it for apps you don't need. Third one is reduce screen wake and brightness. The display is one of the biggest battery consumers. Go to setting, then display and brightness, then reduce brightness. Turn off always on display if enabled. Fourth one is check battery usage by apps. Some apps may drain battery faster. Open setting, then battery on the watch. Review battery usage by app. Remove or limit app using excessive power. Fifth fix is disable unnecessary notification. Frequent notification wake the screen and drain battery. Open the Apple Watch app on iPhone, then tap notification. Disable notification for app you don't need. Sixth one is check battery health. Older batteries lose capacity over time. On the watch, open setting, then battery health. Check maximum capacity. If it's very low, battery replacement may help. Seventh one is unpair and repair the Apple Watch. If the drain started after an update, a fresh pairing can fix software glitches. Open the Apple Watch app on iPhone, tap all watches, then unpair Apple Watch. Pair the watch again and restore from backup. Thank you.